Okay.
Right. Now, we're going to do some mini roundabouts and we're going to do some major roundabouts, okay?
Okay.
It's a very important lesson for you.
Okay.
Because if you want to drive around, you're going to face roundabouts all the time, especially Blackburn with Darwin. We got loads of roundabouts. Now look ahead, you have got a triangle sign there,
Yeah.
with a roundabout shape in the middle there, yeah?
Yeah.
What is that triangle sign telling you?
Information. That there's a roundabout.
Okay, what's the difference between the triangle sign and the circle sign? What does the triangle sign tell you? What does the circle sign tell you?
The triangle one is a warning.
Is a warning.
And then the circle is information.
Order.
Order. Okay.
Yeah, information or order, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So the triangle sign is a warning you what's coming up ahead.
A roundabout.
Now it's not warning you what type of roundabout is coming.
A mini one.
Yeah, but it's not warning you that. It's warning you.
Okay, what type it's coming.
So
okay.
for example, let me give you my experience. Let's say you go to the building, you knock the door, the security guard over there, and you ask, is anybody in the building? And the security guard say, yeah, there's some human beings in there. What is not telling you whether it's a male, female, kids or whatever it is, it's just telling you somebody's in there. That triangle sign is similar like that. It's just warning you there's a roundabout coming up.
Okay.
It's not warning you what type of roundabout is coming.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people think it's a mini roundabout.
Yeah,
no,
that's what
you
I
can see this on a major roundabout as well though.
Okay.
Yeah, the actual mini roundabout sign is the blue circle sign with 3 arrows in the middle.
Okay.
That sign is telling you there's a mini roundabout there right on the floor.
Okay.
Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Now because you're doing it first time, I will doing over teaching to you.
Okay.
And then hopefully gradually I will give you the control and you make your own decision. So first round I will talk you through though, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so drive off please whenever you are ready, please, for me. So we have got a warning sign coming up, a roundabout is coming, and a blue sign coming up telling you it's a mini roundabout. Now if there's a wall there, it's a closed view mini roundabout. So start slowing down, lean your body forward towards the steering, look in your right and look ahead as well. Anyone coming from the right? No, check your mirrors and go now quickly. Push your speed quicker. That's it. But always check your mirrors before making any progress.
Okay.
So there's a warning sign coming up again.
There's another one.
Other roundabouts coming. But how many roundabouts coming? How many blue signs there?
2.
That means 2 mini roundabouts.
Okay.
Keep using your brakes. Now this mini roundabout is an open view because there's no right road over there.
Yeah.
Any car signaling coming into your danger zone. So keep going slowly. Just glance once your left and just go quickly. That's it. That's it. Good. Other one. So this one is an open view. Glance but look ahead. Anyone coming? No. Check all 3 mirrors and push your speed now. Check all 3 mirrors and then accelerate. Good. So this, if you look ahead, there is a blue circle with 1 arrow.
It's a big roundabout.
It's a major roundabout and there is no arrows painted. We have to use a clock method. We are going straight ahead.
So there's no need
start
to show now.
Slowing down, positioning, start looking early. Anyone coming to your danger zone?
No.
So go near to the left curb island there. No. Go near there. Check your mirrors. Signal down. We're going there. Second exit.
Okay.
That was the first exit. Check your mirrors and build up your speed.
Okay.
Now this is a tricky one. I'm going to talk you through this. We're going to be following the sign Blackburn. Pay attention to this, yeah?
Okay.
We're going to be following the sign Blackburn. It will also help you for the roundabouts as well though, yeah? So there's a sign there telling you on the top Ozil Twizzle. Then it says Blackburn on your left. Can you see that?
Oh yeah, okay.
So we're gonna be because we're turning left, what we need to do now? Mirrors and indicate. Because you're crossing over the cycle lane, check your mirror again and then go over there. And what is the warning there?
There can be pedestrians also.
Give way as well and pedestrians. So start looking early. Anyone coming from your right?
No.
So stay in the left lane. Left lane is yours. And what is the sign telling you? Blackburn, which exit?
Straight.
Straight, second exit.
Second exit.
We're staying in this lane.
Okay.
So same thing again. So we approach slowly, start looking early, positioning. Any blockers for this car positioning? No blockers. We need, and it's coming towards you as well. There you go. Anybody else? He's going there. So after the first island,
we show you signal.
Signal down, because that is your which exit?
Second exit.
Second exit. Because first was there, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Builds up your speed. So Blackburn is where? Ahead.
Ahead of us.
Now there is no signboard over there, correct?
Yeah.
How can you tell which exit you're taking? Arrows will help you.
Okay.
So on our lane, we have got 2 arrows painted, left and ahead. Because Blackburn is ahead, so which exit are we taking?
Ahead.
Which exit number? Second. So slow approach, start looking early, and look ahead though as well. Anyone coming towards you?
No.
No? Then you can go for me. Go near to the island. And now check your center in the left mirror, signal down, and follow which curb?
The left curb.
Because 2 lanes over there.
Yeah.
That's it, good. That's it, well done. So again, we are still going towards Blackburn, right?
Yeah.
And Blackburn is ahead.
Yeah.
So we have got a roundabout coming up again. How many arrows? 2 arrows. 2. So we're going ahead which number of exits?
The second exit.
Good. So start slowing down. Positioning. Anyone more position? Anyone coming?
Yes.
Anyone else?
No.
Go near to the island. Everything is step by step. Easy. Now check your mirrors. Signal down. Keep following the bend. Keep following the curb. Don't worry about cancelling your signal yet. Just keep going. Keep going. Once your wheel's straightened, now you can cancel it. Check your mirrors and build up the speed. Make sense?
Yeah.
So you have got a signboard coming up. So we're going towards Blackburn.
Which is the straight second exit.
First exit this time, because there's no.
Yeah.
So that means this is not part of the roundabout.
No.
You're going first exit. Start slowing down. Positioning. Everything is still normal. Anyone coming? Go this way. Check your mirrors and signal down. Mirrors first. You need to move your head.
Okay,
I did not see your head movements. A lot of multitasking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Check your mirrors and build up your speed. Okay, so start slowing down a little bit. What blue sign telling you what's coming up ahead?
A roundabout.
Major roundabout, isn't it? Yeah, so start slowing down again. We're going to use a clock method. Positioning, start looking early, looking ahead as well. Anyone coming?
No.
No? Okay. So go near to the island and now check your mirrors. Mirrors, this one, and indicate down. That's it, good. And then cancel your signal and then build up your speed.